you've been injured in an accident at work, on the road, or after a trip or fall anywhere, then call for instant free claims advice. It's no win, no fee. 100% as we recover all costs from the other side. Call 0800 556 557 now. The National Accident Helpline, putting lives back together since 1993.
Questions will be asked, and hopefully we'll find some answers. Blue light, bathed in blue light. Total emergency, Friday at 9, ITV4.
One of the groups most affected by speeding is children. Injuries and deaths for children increased last year, with 270 being killed, which is one of the worst child fatality rates in Europe. There are many things drivers can do to reduce this appalling statistic, and the simplest is to make sure that children in cars are wearing seatbelts. It's also breaking the law not to have them on, and can fetch a fixed penalty fine of £20, or a lot more if taken to court.
Sex.
Children are also not able to judge speed very